Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. It's going to be cool with rain showers this Tuesday afternoon in places across western South Africa. At the same time, we will continue to see isolated thunder showers over parts of central and eastern South Africa. A very hot Tuesday afternoon is forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal and over the northeastern parts of the country. Now here on the latest satellite picture, we are already seeing storm clouds popping up across the northwest and the central areas. And we have this big cold front that hit our shores last night and is currently maintaining cloud and rainy weather across much of the Western Cape and the western sections of the Northern Cape. Now, for the rest of your Tuesday, you can expect isolated to scattered rain showers over the western parts of the Northern Cape, much of the Western Cape, extending into the Eastern Cape. It's going to be cool to cold this afternoon for the western parts of South Africa. Further east, we are going to stay with a band of thunder showers extending from the northwest down into southeastern South Africa, pushing eastwards into parts of Mpumalanga and the Gauteng province. It's going to be mostly fine and hot over the northeastern sections, and we are watching this other weaker cold front which is slowly edging towards our shores. Now this Tuesday you can expect up to a 60% chance of thunder showers over the southeastern parts of the country, a 60% chance of rain for the southwestern areas, and mostly between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers can be expected in the areas you see the lighter shades of blue. It's going to be pretty hot this afternoon over the bulk of eastern South Africa, highs in the mid-30s for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Similar temperatures across the northeastern sections where Polokwane and Pretoria will peak at around 34 degrees. A sizzling 38 is expected around Lephalale. Cooler over the central areas, Bloemfontein peaking at around 31 degrees. Much cooler over the western sections where Sutherland will manage a high of just around 9 degrees this afternoon. 17 for Cape Town, a little bit warmer as we go towards Port Elizabeth, where a high of 22 is expected. It's going to stay rather breezy this afternoon for the western and central interior, and we're expecting fresh northwesterlies along much of the west coast. Fresh to strong winds are forecast around the Port Elizabeth area. We still have a warning for high fire danger this Tuesday. Runaway fires are still very possible wherever you see that shade of red across much of the Northern Cape, the Free State and the Northwest. Here's looking ahead to your Wednesday. We are going to see light rain showers over the southwestern sections and along parts of the south coast. Thunderstorms are forecast from the northwest through Gauteng and Mpumalanga down into much of KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Thursday, it's going to be mostly sunny and warmer across the western parts of the country. Rain and thunderstorms are forecast across the eastern half of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.